Have you ever heard of a collaborative divorce? Collaborative divorce is not for everybody. It requires a couple that has some degree of trust and is able to be honest, open, and fair in the division of your property, even in divorce. A lot of times people think that they have a spouse they can trust and have a fair division in divorce. They find out differently in the course of the divorce. They find out just how selfish, dishonest, and unfair their spouse can actually be. But if you are one of those rare couples that still care about each other, still want to have a fair division of property and take care of each other, but you still don't know how to divide your property because perhaps your estate is complicated, well, then you might want to consider a collaborative divorce. In a collaborative divorce, the first thing that the attorneys do is enter into a contract with the parties that says that they will not have a contested trial. They are not going to litigate this divorce. And so there are many divorce attorneys who won't do collaborative divorce or don't even know what collaborative divorce is. You need to find an attorney who knows what collaborative divorce is and is willing to do that process. And as you go through the process of collaborative divorce, generally you need to have other experts involved, not just attorneys, but financial experts, real estate experts, CPAs, maybe a stockbroker, business analyst, business appraisers. If you've got the kind of property that perhaps you don't know exactly how much it's worth or how to divide it or what the best tax advantage would be in the division of the property, then you want to have these experts involved so that you can make an informed decision. And it's going to take more than one meeting, but these meetings are going to be similar to a mediation. Rather than having battling experts, people on each side that have different opinions that argue with each other, you're going to have one expert who explains the situation, and then you're going to be able to make an informed, peaceful decision on the best way to divide up your property. Then the attorney's job is simply to write it up in a decree of divorce that reflects exactly what it was that you agreed to, so that there's no ambiguity and no contest later on about what that divorce decree actually means or whether it's enforceable. But in the process of the collaborative divorce, you want to have a mindset of it's going to take a little time because it's complicated. We're going to have to pay some experts because we want to do it right. And we're going to meet multiple times so that we're not under pressure to make a decision right away. But in this process, we're going to end up with the most informed, fair, and peaceful division of property. And that's what collaborative divorce is all about. If you're interested in a collaborative divorce in Texas, give me a call. I'm Laura Hurd, and I'd be glad to help you with a collaborative divorce. It is a much less stressful, more peaceful, more informed way to end a marriage.